Do you know what's on your shelves right now? Expired vials, surprise stockouts, spreadsheets nobody updates. Inventory chaos costs money. DocVilla builds inventory management right into your cloud EHR. Every item is tracked in real time. Counts, expiration dates, and stock across all your locations. Dispensed to a patient, and inventory updates itself. Run low, and DocVilla alerts you before you run out. Sell products at the point of sale, track the revenue, and export custom reports to Excel. Less waste. No stockouts. Full visibility, with role-based access and audit trails. DocVilla. Inventory management inside your cloud EHR. Schedule your free demo at DocVilla.com.